Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. When solar becomes a dominant source on the grid, you gain scale, but you lose the comfort of assuming the grid will always take everything you can generate. Germany is already living that reality, and it's a preview for everyone else. Germany recently hit a major milestone where solar became the top source of power over key periods. That's an impressive success story. But high penetration also brings new operating rules, like more midday price pressure, more curtailment, and more demand for flexibility from plants. Today, we'll use Germany's experience to talk about how site managers should think about the next phase of market maturity. In a low solar system, your plant can usually export whatever it produces. In a high solar system like Germany's, three things change. Midday pricing pressure occurs because everyone is producing at the same time, and wholesale prices can collapse or even go negative. Curtailment risk means grid operators may need to actively reduce output from some plants to keep the system stable, especially in congested regions. Assets that can shift energy or offer ancillary services become more valuable than those that just produce as much as possible whenever the sun is shining. All of that affects how you plan maintenance, how you talk about performance, and how you design the next wave of projects. You might think these are market issues, but they land on your desk very directly. Curtailment means SCADA and reporting need to clearly distinguish external commands from internal faults, or you'll be blamed for underperformance you didn't cause. Midday price patterns influence when it makes sense to schedule outages or maintenance because the obvious hours for work may move. Grid code changes in a mature market can force new inverter settings, reactive power capabilities, or ramp rate controls that you must manage. In short, market maturity changes your operating definition of doing a good job. As markets mature, storage integration becomes more important, so batteries can soak up excess midday production and sell it later. Smarter maintenance timing means aligning outages with periods where the system is likely to be oversupplied anyway to protect high-value export windows. Fine-tuning inverter and control settings helps you be a good grid citizen and can help you stay online when others are being constrained. Tighter communication with asset managers and traders ensures operations reflect current price signals and contractual realities, not just technical availability. You're no longer running an island, you're part of a tightly balanced system. What Germany is experiencing now is what other solar-heavy regions like parts of Spain, Italy, and California will see soon. The lesson is not don't build solar, but prepare your plants and teams for a world where grid stress and curtailment are normal operating conditions. That means better data, better coordination with markets and grid operators, and a more flexible approach to how and when you produce. Germany's milestone is both a celebration and a warning for site managers. Grid success and grid stress are now two sides of the same story. Your action item is simple. Review whether your operating strategy still quietly assumes the grid will always take every available megawatt. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device. Smarter decisions.